Hey there! In this video, I'll show you how to use the Abyssale plugin for Figma. It's a super easy way to turn your Figma designs into fully editable templates inside Abyssale in just a few clicks. First, let's install the plugin. Head over to the Figma Community, search for Abyssale, and install it. Once it's installed, open it inside your Figma file and you're ready to go. Next, we need to connect your Abyssale account. In Abyssale, go to Settings, then Connections, and copy your access key. Back in the plugin, it'll ask you to paste that key. Do that, and you're all set. Figma is now linked to Abyssale. Now comes the fun part. Select the frame you want to send and click Send to Abyssale. The plugin will instantly turn your design into an editable template. All your text, images, and layers stay editable once you're in Abyssale. Your design is now in your workspace template library. From there, you can reuse it in projects, create variations at scale, or even animate it directly inside Abyssale. And that's it. Install the plugin, connect your account, send your design. 3 simple steps and you're good to go. If you found this helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials and tips on how to save time and boost your creativity with Abyssale.